Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode. In this one we are going to do some work inside the stables. This is supposed to be a large window. Well, we have a slight window situation, so we don't have the window, which means it's very dark in there. So we are going to paint the walls, make it a little bit brighter and nicer to live. So yeah, let's head inside and have a look. So this is the situation we have in here. We are living in there. We have a bedroom, a living room, a dining table. We have the kitchen over there. Underneath the stairs are the bathroom. The workshop is over here. This is supposed to be a large window with sliding doors. Well, it's a temporary plastic solution with some tarp and an OSB panel. This is a garbage station. That's a cement mixer. And most importantly, the barbecue. We are going to clean up in here, paint the walls, and make it a little bit more nicer as we are walking here all along during the day, and it's not very nice. So let's see if we can sort that out before I head back into the villa itself to start work in the bathroom and on the walls. Right, so it's nice and clean in here, or clean is, yeah, that's relative. It's decent in here. What I'll do is I'll start over there. There we go. We are done, or more or less done. Anna has to do some work in the corners with the brush, but I'm done with the roller. This is not the nicest paint. It's just a very flat, dead white, but it's much nicer than before. What's not so nice is this, that whole situation. We have a lot of old peeling paint here. We have striations of old paint here. So yeah, all of this is gonna need a lot of work, but that's not gonna happen within the next year or two. We're not doing any sort of work here. We are focused on finishing the villa itself before doing any sort of work up here. We have loads of plans for this. That's gonna be a gym in the future. So yeah, it's a work in progress, but I'm gonna head inside and do some actual work inside the villa instead. Okay, here we are, back where it really matters. What we're gonna do is we're gonna attach this one, which I forgot in the previous episode. So I'll do that right now. It's the same procedure as I did with that, but much shorter. And then I can just pick and choose of all the fun things I have to do in here, like scraping all of that, working on this. I mean, it's fantastic. I'm also gonna lower the ceiling here. That's not gonna happen now. I have to do that later whenever I know exactly the dimensions of the ventilation system that's gonna go here. we're having a ventilation here that's going to heat up this room or cool it down, and it's also got to go tubing inside the kitchen, etc. So it's a bit of a mess. So I can't really do that right now. I could do this, which I'm really looking forward to. That's a not joke. So we'll see. I'll start with that and then take it from there. I might just do some walls. Who knows? The hands are okay. Right, the tube is attached to the wall with some metal nails. I'm going to start working on that because it's the least thing I want to do. So I'll get a bucket of cement and yeah, get going. All right, so it's nice and clean in here. The walls are smooth enough to start working on them. This is going to be covered by a wall panel. Likewise here. It's going to be a toilet, a sink, a bathtub, slight tiny walls here, a few steps in. The bathtub is going to be built in marble. So this whole part of the bathroom is going to be covered in marble up to about here. And we're doing the same marble on the floor. And that's it. I'm lowering the ceiling and the bathtub. Initially, we thought we would be able to sit here and have a look at the view. I'm not sure that's gonna happen because we're doing the extension on the kitchen and that might cover the view a bit. We're not sure, we'll see. Anyway, Anna gets her bathtub, that's the most important thing. Happy wife, happy life. It's actually beer o'clock, so I'm gonna call it a day. And next up, I guess tomorrow I'll be, I don't know, maybe working on these walls or other walls.
A few moments later.
So I thought it was beer o'clock, apparently not, because I didn't have any beers, which means I'm going to get going working instead. Anna is out for a walk with the dogs, so I don't have any company either, so I might as well do this, which I know you guys haven't seen enough of. So yeah, let's get going. All right, that's gonna be it for today. I've run out. I'm not gonna go and mix another batch. I'm gonna let this dry. It's been a ridiculously long day, actually. The longest one for quite some time. So I'll leave it like so and continue tomorrow, I guess. Right, I am back in paradise. Today I've been running errands, so I haven't done any work in the house, which means I'm gonna put in a few hours now. Yesterday I finished this, apart from that little piece. Not sure what to do down here. I need to speak to the guy who's gonna build the bathtub to see whatever preparations he wants. So I'm gonna leave it a little bit like that for now. I still have to deal with that little issue, which I'm looking forward to. And yeah, so cue the time lapse of this. So I just finished some work upstairs, but I'm losing daylight. So I'm gonna call it quits. This is the current status of the bathroom. I still have some work to do here. I have a lot of work to do up there. And from this distance, it might look decent, but it's far from it. With that, I am ending the episode. I am going to end it with a clip from yesterday where we were in our neighbor's garden and we had a wiener chase a cock. With that, I'm ending the episode. Until next time. Ciao!